In this video, we change the wavelength of cosine of values of W, using values of W from 6 to 12. So data validation, list of items, from 6 to 12. We can start with W equals 6. And the data set of cosine, so array formula, Wx, so W times X. And this is cosine, so cosine. And we continue the expansion, which is sine x raised to the power W times the summation of a cotangent x raised to the power n, where n starts from 0 to W. So this will be sequence and W plus 1, comma, 1 column, starting from 0, increment by 1. And enter. So our W will be from 0 to 6. And the value of A, which is array formula, combination, combine W comma N. That's the first part. The second part, cosine 0.5 pi W minus N. So cosine 0.5 times pi times the quantity W minus N. And we have to correct this. If this is empty, this should be 0. So we correct this. So that is 0. It should be 0. If this data equals empty, and we put the if function, enter. Now it's corrected. This is 0 because it's empty. We continue with the series sum, the expansion. So array formula, series sum of the x values. This is series sum, so it's not x values but cotangent x. Cotangent x raised to the power n. That's raised to the power n, where n starts from 0, increases by 1. And the coefficient will be this range. So we'll correct this. To correct this, we use an if statement. If x is 0. So if x is 0, it should be 1. Otherwise, calculate. Now it's corrected. And we continue. This is multiplied, so let's chart this. Insert chart. And we use scatter chart. Column is labeled. And show the trend line. Trend line. The type polynomial. The degree 6 or 10. We use 10, so 10th degree. For the equation, for the label, use the equation. We don't need a title. Okay, this looks like an error, but we'll correct this error because it's not complete. So we complete the solution. To complete the solution, we multiply this by this should be multiplied by sine x raised to the power W. So the quantity sine of x raised to the power w. That's sine x raised to the power w. Now they're the same. So we can change this. Change the cosine to 7. So we change this to 7. Change this to 8. We change this also to 8. Change this to 9. We change this to 9. Change w to 10. We also change this to 10. 11. And we change this to 11. Now they're the same. Change this to 12. We'll change this also to 12. This completes the use of Taylor series sum to generate the expansion of cosine with alternating or with changing wavelengths using the functions cotangent and sine and the series sum.